Hi everyone, my name is Chris Stevenson. I'm the Innovation Strategist at Impact Innovation, and I will be facilitating the Innovation Management System Standards Training for Engineers Australia. So my background is in corporate innovation management, partnership brokering and stakeholder management. And I've done a few things in innovation. So I've been the subject matter expert adopting innovation processes. I've been the innovation champion supporting others to adopt innovation processes in their work. And I've also spent time overseeing an enterprise innovation program. I think for engineers, innovation can bring so many benefits, can bring efficiencies in the way you work, can help you better connect with clients and end users, can help you meet market demands that are always changing, can help bring down costs and help harness that knowledge, creativity and ambition that sits around you. I think innovation training often focuses on things like culture or design thinking, but this course is focused on the Innovation Management System Standards. It's ISO 56002, which is about the whole system, which is all those kind of interconnected and interrelating components within an organisation that help drive innovation. So you'll learn about organisational context and culture, leadership and strategy, operations and processes, resourcing and support, and the all-important value, and how all these things come together in a system to generate value in innovation. So not only will you be able to walk away having identified gaps and plans to implement in your organisation, you'll also get to engage with others and learn and share with other innovation managers in your field.